Look at that.
Hi everyone, welcome to Saveur Tipik, 100% Mauritian. But we had these in Terre Rouge last time as well.
And we're in Terre Rouge. Oh wow, that's a lot of cocoa.
Oh man. Sweet and coconutty.
Awesome. They're like a sweet coconut stuffed fresh bread.
Oh, look at this mutton. It's for the noodles. Oh wow, that looks so good. With the mutton. Ginger and garlic paste. Oh, the most important bit, a little bit of chili. Some oyster sauce.
Oh wow, that lamb with the onions, it smells incredible. I'm definitely going to try that. Wow.
Here we go with the octopus. You can see she's put some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes in there. Oh wow, and some chilies. Oh, here we go with some onion. And there the octopus is cooked and ready to go into its heating drawer oven. The proportion of chili to noodle. There are going to be lots of chilies. I assume they have more noodles, but wow.
But it's cool, they've got fresh ingredients. And it's all really organized here.
Ricky's discovered something.
Yeah, I saw it on the menu. Frozen, you can buy like 15 pieces of samosa, all homemade.
And all here, and loads
and
of
they
bits
look
in here.
Nice.
Here we have chicken,
The half moons,
that's a half moon. We have also pate.
pate.
Yeah. Our traditional bullet.
Willette, do you make this one?
Yeah.
Shushu.
Shushu. Bullet shushu.
And you're making it yourself?
Yes.
So
All
we are-
Saveur Tipik. Traditional.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir.
Oh man, we're with Chef Yashvin. How do you say the name of the place?
Saveur Tipik
Saveur Tipik. Here in Terre Rouge.
in Terre Rouge.
Oh, what is in there? Is that the bouillon crab? Oh, wow. Crab bouillon. A Mauritian
Crab
classic.
meat. This is crab meat.
Okay,
That's
so there's
crab
bits
meat.
of crab. Wow.
And this is what they're most famous for, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yes. Love my knife skills. Coriander.
Celery. I don't think I've ever seen anyone use celery.
It's mix of celery and kosamili.
Oh, celery, kotamili, coriander.
Coriander,
going
correct.
into that crab soup. Oh wow, that's going to be amazing.
Let me show you.
Oh wow. Oh look at that. A massive pieces of crab in there.
Mixed with 11 spices.
Quality check.
Quality check. I'm in charge of quality today. Oh wow.
Good.
Oh wow. I could drink a bowl of this.
You are.
Yeah. I wish it
Approved.
wasn't so hot so I could drink it faster. A little bit of greenery. Oh, and in with the noodle. A little bit of pepper on top. Master at work. That's a pile of fried noodles. And there we are, fried noodles. Thanks, chef.
So it's in Terre Rouge, but there's parking, which is like golden. Off the main road. Right next to Issa Hall.
Look what's arrived, some of the samples.
Yeah, this one is our traditional samosa, and this is our traditional half moon.
And chili sauce, of
Yeah, of
course.
course.
So these are those beautiful homemade snacks that they make. They deep fry gorgeously. I might get some of these for home.
Try half moon first. Ooh, that's cheese ooze.
It's a lot of cheese in these, eh?
Oh man.
Those are good.
Tell me. Sure. Okay.
Ancient art of egg cracking. Whoa! That's how you fry an egg. Oh man, in a wok. And it makes them round. Look at where it's going. Oh, now that is the perfect bouillon, crab, auric. Oh,
It's complete now.
Now it is complete. Off you go, service. Oh, here are the noodles boiling away a little bit. Oh, and look how many noodles there are in there. A little bit of octopus. And there we go. It's good.
Yeah.
Off you go.
There you go, ma'am.
Mean bui ori. Boiled noodles with octopus. Let's get a little bit of that.
Oh wow.
Nice noodle. Really nice. It's definitely a different sort of noodle. I really like them. They feel they're strong, but thin. I could eat a bowl of those.
You are, Rick. We were going on about the octopus and he said, no, you got to try the lamb as well. So we said, no, just a small bowl.
Okay, there was a lot more lamb on top of it, but it's absolutely delicious. Full flavored lamb.
Loads of coriander.
And some sauce first.
Oh, wow. That's a full bowl. Oh man, how can you tell this is crab bouillon?
There you go.
Oh wow. Look at that. Thanks.
Thank you.
You're gonna need that. Oh, get stuck in.
Oh man, I can't wait. Oh, it's so far away from the photographs. Oh wow. I know, I already tasted it inside. It is so good. So I knew what to expect. Ooh, actually, he put more coriander in it. Oh wow. That is such a good bouillon. It's like so crabby and it's got such a rich flavor. This is my kind of food. Oh,
Oh wow.
ooh. Oh man. Oh, the noodles are great, but it's all about that soup. Bouillon, I mean.
Yeah, it's a classic.
And you get the crab. I wonder if you can eat it.
Probably.
Oh, don't explode on me. Ah! Oh well, so much for that. All the flavors in there.
In the broth.
And all over my hands. And all over my shirt.
Thank you. Here's the shower and your nose.
On my nose.
Oh man.
Tipik mocktail is mostly about the ingredient that we use in the crop.
Okay, so I just heard that because they've just opened, and her sister came along last night, and they worked really late to do all this beautiful art for them. That's awesome.
Don't look at me, I'm messy.
No, it's pretty much dried in the hot Mauritian sun.
Yeah. No, the seagulls are attacking me. They think I'm a crab. This is actually what Dishka looks like. You've been seeing her with a mask preparing all this stuff. So now we're off hours, we don't have to wear masks, it's the law.
Thank you, Dishka.
Oh yeah, how could we not get a whole bag of treats? Yeah. You've got it, they're that good. Just take them home and fry them.
They're absolutely brilliant.
Let's go.
Cool, great news. So there are some sinks, and if you get the key, there's a toilet. So they literally have a big menu. It's all across the wall. And they do a lot of different things. Even samosas and snacks and things. So we're just north of Port Louis in Terre Rouge. Accurately marked on Google Maps, Saveur Tipik. You can see our dot is right on the spot.
Wow, Saveur Tipik, a really friendly place in Terre Rouge Mauritius. Everyone, thanks for watching. See you again next time.